Good evening and welcome to KTN Sports. I'm Jeff Mogire. The national tennis team has intensified its preparations ahead of the East Africa Zonal Championships scheduled for 11th to 18th of January 2025. Davis Mberia spent a day with the team in Nairobi and is back with the details.
A team of 28 tennis players have hit a non-residential camp ready for the task ahead of them in 2025.
I'm working hard and want to do better than last year. I feel good because we'll have a lot of people supporting us. It will help us a lot.
We've got players who are internationally involved. They're still playing. We're also following up on them and ensuring that we keep in contact with their training, their coaches, and what they are doing between now and the time they come here. And then also there are some who are actually still in school. They will be joined by them after 15th.
Kenya will be banking on two categories, under 14 and 16 boys and girls, for a medal overhaul against 11 regional competitors.
We'll just have to be really competitive in this case. We'll also have to play our best towards the game and put a lot of passion towards it.
Actually, a total of 24 players, 6 boys in under 16, 6 boys in under 14, 6 girls in under 16, and 6 girls in under 14 as well.
Kenya finished third overall in this year's edition held in Burundi, behind the host Burundi, who emerged champions, and Uganda, who finished second.
Every serve and stroke will count as Kenya aims to stamp its authority on the home soil by reclaiming the title. Davis Mberia, KTN Sports.
Away from tennis, Kenya's Joseph